Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My wardrobe doesn't vary much, but one thing that is a staple in my closet is a good cardigan. Because I wear them daily and with outfits for every occasion, I need it to be durable, comfortable, and classic. And that's exactly what I got with these beautiful cardigans. This company offers a variety of different color and size options. I got mine in tan and blue, size extra large, and they fit me perfectly. I have just enough room around my arms and chest that I feel cozy and warm without being too tight. Another thing I love about them is their thickness. I've had these sweaters long enough to get them through the end of summer and the beginning of fall. I'm happy to tell you that they were not too heavy for summer evenings, and they're perfect for a little bit of warmth on those cool fall days. These beautiful cardigans were easy to dress up with a pair of slacks or a cute blouse, or just keep it casual and just throw it on over a t-shirt when I have to go to the grocery store or run errands. Regardless of my adventures for the day, this cardigan is soft against my skin and durable enough to withstand all of the abuse that daily life brings. So if you're a cardigan girl like me and you're looking for the perfect one to keep up with your busy life, then I highly recommend these cardigans. And that's my point of view.